What you doing?
Getting this bolt off so we can get the headlights, tail lights on.
Okay.
No need for help. Alright, I'm sitting right here. Is that okay?
Yeah, you're light enough. You ain't gonna hurt that tank.
Alright, so we just got that bottom one out. The top one don't want to come out for some reason. I have no idea why. So we're going to figure that out, maybe. First, I'm going to see if anything's loose. Okay, yeah, the nut is kind of loose. So
You may have to pull it off at the end.
Okay. I'm not really comfortable with this position, but it's the best way I can ever do it. Beggars can't be choosers. This is basically my car, so...
It is your car.
Huh?
It is your car.
So no one really cares if I damage it, because it's mine. But,
We care.
oh, well, I never knew that. Can I just stand on the bumper?
No, I don't want you standing hunched over because then you're going to be pinched between the door here if it falls.
Okay, I can't really do the top one.
Yes, you can.
I figured it out.
And guess what?
What?
You get to do all this again in the white car, except the trunk won't open. So you have to crawl in and go through.
No. Okay. Is that today?
If you want to put a taillight in it, yeah. Yeah, wrenching sucks, don't it?
I guess I'll do it.
All right. You'll fit better than I do.
That isn't sure a certain thing.
I did you the favor of getting the gas tank out. That was a big deal. And I had to crawl around inside the car too, because I couldn't get the trunk open for me either.
Imagine how that was.
Not fun.
I'm gonna take a look at this.
Is it actually coming off, or is it spinning like the other one did?
It's spinning like the other one did.
Is it? Let me see. I think you're right. Do it again. Put it on there and I'll watch it. Let's see if we can get it on the camera.
So, what is? Hold on. Just who would wanna throw away a Datsun 210 hatchback? Who would wanna do that?
Well, people didn't care about these cars back in the day.
We do.
That's right.
So y'all, I'm gonna take a look, and it seems to be it's not working. Well,
Keep spinning.
it kind of is actually. I can see that from a distance
going.
away. Yeah, it's spinning. It's spinning all right.
Hey, this taillight's resilient. I'll give it that.
Except gotta get it lined up in there.
Well, that did something. Oh. Oh, I've got this one too. This one will probably work. Let's try that. Got a battery on deck for it. Alright, Jude, it's your turn to hold the camera. Come around and come out.
Alright. Aha! There we go!
That worked surprisingly well.
Hey!
Yeah, that cut right off.
Yeah. Show us. See, so right inside of that broken brake light was some old pieces was falling down. So, oh wow, that's a bunch of smokeroos.
And get the other one out.
All right, let's go. All right, so off we go down the hill.
Yeah, we're gonna need a few things.
That right there. Can't really tell, but that is what they want.
Alright, we're gonna set the camera up and they can watch us push. Let's see if this thing will settle in a little. Oh, crap. I touched the mold spore. You. Alright.
Why does that import so rapidly?
Because I pushed it in here by hand. Come on.
Oh, man, this is... Okay. Okay, it kind of wants to buzz.
Oh no.
I can't believe I can push a car.
Keep pushing it. You got it. Push. Push. There you go.
How can I not? How can I not
Push. Push the thing. Alright. That's enough.
So I can't believe I cannot push a Power Wheels car, but I can push a real life car. Dad, how do I get outside?
Huh?
How do I get outside?
What do you mean?
Like, how do I get over there?
Come on.
Thank you. Very kind of you, sir. Oh my gosh. I'm glad my dash don't look like that.
Look, you gotta take that flathead screwdriver, get under those pins and pop them out. No, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, you're getting closer. Come at an angle, twist, wiggle. Now pull it out. Just, no, it doesn't screw, you just pull. Pull hard.
It hurts my hands.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt. Pull hard. Pull hard. Hard as you can. There you go. Now, same thing here. Stick it in like that and then wiggle. Easy. You got it. Now you pull it. Pull hard. There you go. That's what I'm thinking. Now, so look, we're going to try not to tear this panel up. Even though it's kind of a little messed up already. I want to try to save it so we can scan it and make a new one with a 3D printer.
Okay. Oh, so that's what these were for
What, for changing your lights?
this Yeah, I found these in my car, and I was like, what are these for? And then I found it right here.
Oh, yeah.
Now I know what these are.
Yeah, there you go. They're covers.
Ah.
There's one. Yeah, you want that? That's a hubcap. That's a 1981 hubcap. You have 82s on there right now.
So, we cannot pop that off. So, this thing's no longer a Datsun.
Here it is.
I guess we'll call it the RUSTsun. The RUSTsun, okay? Oh!
Yours is rustier than this one, sir.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh? Oh, that is in such great shape.
Ah, look at that. He got it out. I think we're trying to get this seat off and replace it with mine.
You mean replace yours with it?
Yes. So yeah, we're getting this old Junkaroo seat out. Well, not old Junkaroo.
This is the one that's going to go in your car. This one's not as bad as the one that's
Yeah.
in your car.
I'm surprised.
This one can be rebuilt. The foam is still usable, and we can have a new upholstery done on it.
Alright, so we got these seats out of my dad's car, and we are going to put them back on my car because the other ones were demolished when we first got it. And then we are going to put this new wiring harness on my car because the other one was hacked up. And now we got some new taillights for my dad's car, which is the parts car right there. And so yeah, we also got these trunk lights right here, new lens. So yeah, we're gonna bring it up the hill and we're gonna put it together.
All right, so we got everything that we're going to get out for today, and we're about to go grab the truck and load it all up. But bring the camera over here, Jude. I want to show them this right here. Probably, I don't know, 15 years ago or so, me and my old man used some adhesive foam to make this gasket, and I think we have some more stuff just like it in the shop, so we're going to probably replicate this on Jude's car. I don't know if we'll do it today. We may just bolt up the taillight and just kind of diagnose the wiring, but because we're going to have to do some rust repair in this section on his car. But we'll go over that over there.
Daddy.
Let's go up the hill.
I may be facing around.
Y'all want to ride in the back of the truck?
Yeah.
What are y'all doing?
We're just cleaning our... Yeah, we're cleaning my center caps. I'm cleaning my center caps from... No, these are not your center caps.
It's okay, buddy. He's just copying you.
Yeah. Well, so... Wesley's getting the inside with that little brush. I'm getting the outside with this rag. As you can see, it's real soapy. I have to reach down in the water to get one. Your nose are junky. And I'm going to show you one that's really junky. This from my bottom looks junky. See, the bottom looks junky. Alright, so this is the grossest one that was in there. Look at that inside.
Yucky.
Caca. Yucky. Wesley, here, I'm going to have to help Wesley.
All right, we'll check back in a few minutes. All right, so we made it up the hill. I got a section of harness out of the parts car, and it's in decent shape, ready to rock. All the plugs seem to be in good shape. So we're gonna take it over here and replace the one that's here. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's all held together with electrical tape.
What's shiny? Mine is dirty.
This is the state of the wires that were in his car, so when I saw that, I decided to just go cut the harness out of the other car, and figured we'd have a whole lot better time. We're just going to take and cut it up here at the head, right about there, and splice in with butt connectors, match all the colors, and then we'll just rerun all our taillights with new bulbs and everything. So we'll get on that here shortly.
Alright, so while we were washing our seats, Big Daddy got us some fabric for our seats, so we are going to cover the seat with it.
Alright, let's get after it.
So we are going to get that seat and set it right here where my feet was, and we're going to see if it works out. It should, because it came out of a Datsun 210 hatch, and this is a Datsun 210 hatch, so it should work fine. So let's get to it. I think it's going to be the end of the video today, but tomorrow we'll see you again, and we'll do some more filming. Hopefully we'll get the brakes all done, and we'll get the taillights fixed and all that, and we may attach the seatbelt. So I hope y'all have a good time. Like, subscribe, share. Peace out, baby. Bye.